What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market to see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is up 0.11%, nasdaq up 0.54%, S&P up 0.38%, and Russell 2000 also up on the day 0.40%. And now let's have a look at different sectors, and pretty much everything is in the green except utilities on bottom, healthcare, and basic materials lagging behind. We got a risk on move here in the market, leading the way on top, technology, communication services, industrials, energy, real estate, consumer defensive, consumer cyclical. So what we got here in the stock market map, Tesla absolutely flat on the day. We got Amazon also flat. We got Meta down 1%, Google up 1%, and Monster among all the stocks. Nvidia again up 0.85%. It was up even more. Almost was hitting a new all-time high today, guys. It was up over 2% and then sold off, but still up green on the day 0.85%. Microsoft, we got a flat day, but look at right here because of I think new iPhone, Apple stock, guys. This is insane. Almost a $20 move. I mean, it's not too far away from 171. Now almost getting up to 190 today. And Apple stock up in the green today, 1.92%. And look at right here, healthcare kind of lagging. We got LLY down on the day, J&J also down. We got energy names, XOM and Chevron both in the green today. And industrials, we got Boeing and RTX also going up. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So yesterday I didn't cover the stock market, but day before, Monday night, in my video, I talked about it how you want to watch this breakout happening on SPY. Soon as SPY breaks 445 to 446, it's gone. You're going to see 450, and now it's trading at almost 452 today, guys. So massive, massive run, and that is why I keep saying that people are saying market will crash. Just avoid and block all that noise because if you did that and you did not watch those crash videos, look at this upside you got buying those dips. Now, if you're watching those crash videos at the support and buying puts, which I saw a lot of people actually buying puts right here, for big, big downside on SPY. And you know that big level of support down here for 30. So you do not go and short into this hole. And a lot of people did that. And that is why you saw that massive breakout and also a massive short squeeze to the upside. Now, if you look at my screen, guys, SPY, it's not too far away from this gap, 455.49. Now, also, weekly expected move for this week. We're already getting a 2 sigma move on SPY. It was 446, I believe, and now we're trading at 452. So tomorrow and Friday, just be cautious. Yes, there could be a pullback, and now a big pullback will be down here to retest red line 50 SMA, and that is around 445 to 446, and that would be an absolute dip buy on SPY to go long right here as long as we can hold this support down here. Now to the upside, also watch out for a run all the way up to 455.49 and then possibly a pullback. So any scenarios right now can play out. SPY can go sideways, some consolidation, couple more candles, and this can turn into a bull flag, and then we could see a run up to this gap and possibly even higher to 460. So tomorrow, guys, we do have support at 450, and only if that gives up, you're going to see a drop down to 445 to 446 red line 50 SMA, Also, we have support at 443. To the upside, the next resistance on SPY 453.66, and then possibly this gap 455.49. And here's my Twitter/X account. And if you're on there, definitely give me a follow. And I do post a lot of things, my charts, daily, weekly expected moves, my videos, and also some of my plays here that I take and I share with my Patreon group, like this one here, 10 minutes and big profit on Apple stock. Shorting right at the top, 185 puts, and then Apple stock came down by 10.24, sold for a nice profit. When almost in the money, it got down to 185 and some change before I sold completely on Apple stock. Now, this is not the one that I took only today. This is another day trade, and yesterday I missed that whole move here on Tesla. But not today, guys. Buying calls exactly down to 251, getting 260 calls for Friday, and then what happened? Explosion, massive move to the upside, almost going in the money. Sold just a tiny bit early, but it was a good profit on Tesla. So if you want to get plays like this, definitely anyone to support my channel, check out the Patreon, and that link will be down below in the description. So on triple Q ETF, we got a massive move. I think in the last 3 to 4 days, it's up 4 to 5%, and that is massive, guys. Again, up today. I mean, it was almost up close to 1%. Gave away some of the gains, still up on the day, more than 0.5%. Now, if you look at my screen, upper Bollinger Band sitting at 378, so that's gonna be a level to watch if this thing continues to push higher. And then we have a gap on top, 380.69, and that's gonna play a role right here. That is also a big resistance on triple Q. Now to the downside, we do have a strong support right here around 373. And if you get a pullback here, that is going to be a dip buying opportunity on triple Q before this thing moves up to fill this gap on top, and that would be a healthy move on triple Q. Come back down and retest 373, and then goes back up to fill that gap on top, 380.69. Now 373 gives up. We also have support down here around 371, and then white line 20 SMA 367.59. On Dow Jones ETF, it's up on the day, but not that much, kind of a flat day. And if you look at my screen, getting rejected from 350 exactly, coming down and holding white line 20 SMA 348 into closing, and now trading above 350. So tomorrow, guys, DIA can break above 350. That's gonna be a massive breakout for an explosion all the way up to 356 to even 360. Below 350, watch out for the support 348, 346, and if that gives up, DIA coming right back down to this gap just below 340, and that would be a strong support right here also on DIA. On IWM, it's up 0.38%. Now, I talked about it before right here on Monday that watch IWM for a breakout above 188. And soon as that happens, there's going to be more upside, possibly going back up to 200. Now, we got that breakout yesterday, closing at 188.23, and we got some follow through today on IWM, again closing above 188. So that is bullish, guys, above 188. Just watch IWM to break 189.53, red line 50 SMA, and soon as that happens, you're going to see a trip all the way up to 196.22 and possibly up to even 200. On a pullback below 188, we do have support down here, 185.92 and then 183. On VIX, I got nothing to say. It's down 4% again on a bullish falling wedge right here. Now, also, it's getting extremely oversold, trading below lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. And last time we got down here, touching this band, we got a bounce. Same thing happened here, we got a bounce. Again here, we got a bounce. And now, right here inside this bullish falling wedge, again touching lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart as a support. So this thing here, guys, we could see a pop anytime. And that is why you got to be cautious going long in the market. I mean, market rallied for what, 3 days? And especially yesterday and today, that was massive. And now, if this thing somehow gets that breakout from this bullish falling wedge, definitely you're going to see $15. And that can bring the market down. So keep that in back of your mind that we got a bullish falling wedge on VIX, and now it's touching the lower band right here. So anytime we could see a spike, and also this thing selling off for what, 4 days. So I would not be surprised tomorrow if we get some sort of move here on VIX up to I would say maybe 15. That's possible. And then, I mean, this thing will get crushed down again because the trend is bullish. But you cannot ignore this bullish falling wedge on VIX, and also it's getting extremely oversold. So if there is a spike, you want to watch resistance at 15, and only if that breaks, you got to be more cautious. Watch out for a move up to 16 to even $18. As a support, nothing below here, guys. Free fall, possibly down to this low, 1273. So that's going to be your next level to watch down here on VIX as a support. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.